Good morning students, this is As Mohammad Khan. I welcome you with today's class. In today's class student we will discuss about the second and third equation of motion with the help of graphical representation. As I have discussed student about the first equation of motion, and for the first equation of motion we considered an object moving with other than zero velocity. So same graph we will consider here. In this also there is one object is moving with other than zero velocity. So this graph we will make first. This graph student. In this is the time and this is the velocity. Now the object starts its motion other than zero velocity, means object is start its motion from here. So it is its initial velocity and it is its final velocity. Now for getting the second equation of motion, that is related to position time relation, in this we will take the formula of trapezium. So distance that will be covered by the object, that distance that will be covered by the object, it will be this student, and it is the area of OABC, means this is the area OABC, this is the area student, OABC, and this OABC is representing trapezium student, it is representing trapezium. So this is the trapezium student, and for this we will use the formula that is area of trapezium. Now in the area of trapezium student we take the area of the two shapes. First is area of rectangle, second is area of triangle. Area of triangle student. Now in this we will put all these quantities, like what will be the area of rectangle. What is the formula of area student? It is length multiplied by breadth. So it is the area of rectangle. So what is length here? It is OA. It is OA. OA is the breadth here. It is breadth. And what is the length here? It is OC. OC. So OA and OC are breadth and length, or we can say length and breadth, and it is representing area of rectangle. In the next there is triangle student. This is the triangle, this ABD, it is the triangle. And what is the formula of triangle student? Formula of triangle in the mathematics, how can we get the area of triangle? We get the area of triangle with a simple formula. What is it? Half multiply length multiply height. So here it is the particular length and it is BD is the height, and this is half AD into BD, this length multiplied by height, this. Now with the help of this formula we will get the area of triangle. Now we put all these quantities here, like for the breadth what we take OA, and for the length what we take OC and OA, this. And for the height AD is for the base into height, it is the height. Base is here, it is AD, it is AD is the base of the triangle AD, and BD is here height, this BD. So in this way we will write the formula, or we will represent the formula of trapezium. Now with the help of these points OA, OC, we write the physical quantities that we are getting with the help of this. Like OA is representing initial velocity, means it is representing initial velocity, means u. BC is representing this BC is representing final velocity, and OC is representing time. OC and AD, both OC and AD, what are they representing? They are representing time taken. So it is the time, and AD is also time. But what is BD here? BD is representing here AT. This BD means it is acceleration with time. Means it is representing time here. Now we will put these quantities here, means we will put in the place of OA we will write U, in the place of time we will write T plus half, AD place we will write time, and for the BD we write AT. Now we will calculate it, and what equation we will get? It will be S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So in this way we will get the second equation of motion, that is the position time relation. And in this, what is the basic of this? Area of trapezium. And with the help of that formula of area of trapezium, we will get the second equation of motion, student, by using the graphical representation. Now we come on the next. It is the third equation of motion. Now what is the third equation of motion, student? What is the third equation? 2as is equal to v square minus u square, and it represents position velocity relation. So position velocity relation we get with the help of third equation of motion. Now in this, student, in this we will also take the area of trapezium, but that area we will take the common here. And by taking the common, the formula that we will get here, it is OA plus BC into OC upon 2. By taking the common. So in this way, we will put all these quantities here. What is OA representing here? OA is representing U. What is BC is representing here? BC is representing V upon 2. This OC is representing time. Now, by using the first equation of motion, we can get the value of time. As we know, time is always equal to V minus U upon A. This. Now, we will put this substitution into the first equation in this. By putting this value in this first equation, what we will get? We will get S is equal to U plus V minus U upon 2A. And the answer that we will get, or the equation that we will get, it will be 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Means when we will multiply this, then what we will get? We will get as 2as is equal to v square minus u square, and it is the third equation of motion that represents position velocity relation. So what is the basic of this? What is the basic? It is the basic of this is area of trapezium. If we know the formula of area of trapezium, then with the help of the graph, we can easily get these two equations of motion, student. Now you will try to do this equation of motion in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.